Hi, Kinder Cakeys. Okay, so you get to be a mathematician. Here is our number of the day that we're going to do. So tomorrow, I think tomorrow's going to be 13. I think today was 12. So tomorrow's going to be 13, but you're going to write your name. Remember to do uppercase first, the rest lowercase. So no one should have a random uppercase A in your name, please. And families, if you're listening to this, please make sure they're writing their name uppercase, all the rest lowercase. Okay, so number. So I'll do today's. Today was 12. Tally mark, 12 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where do we cross? At the 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Base 10 block. So this is new. We just kind of started doing that with the 100th day. So let me show you. Base 10 block. For 12, how many 10 rods are we going to have? 2 10 rods. And then 2 little baby ones. Now, be careful, please, when you're doing this. You don't want your 10 rods and your baby ones to look exactly the same. You want there to see how there's that big difference. Do you see that? You want that big difference so that you could tell where the 10 rods are and you can tell the little baby ones. So we always do up to 30. So I gave you 3 10 frames, 10, 20, 30. So if the number's 30 or 29, you have enough. So today's 12. So we're going to do the whole 10, right? We can do that quickly. We shouldn't have to count one by one anymore. We know that whole thing's 10, 11, 12. This is your number bond. So 12. And then you can do your... So you can do that however you want. You could do 10 and 2. I'm going to do 8 and 4 just to jazz it up a little bit. All right. This is the new one. So I'm just going to give it a go. I'm going to let you guys try it. I think you can do it. And if not, it's okay. Give yourself time. And if you want to skip it, as long as your parents say it's okay, then that's okay. But you have to follow your parents' rules. They're the teachers in the house. You're always going to put the number in the middle. And then on a hundreds chart, if you looked at the hundreds chart, what number would go above it? So the number in this case above it would be 2. What number would be below it on a hundreds chart? It would be 22. Because this is minus 10 plus 10. So for those who want to challenge yourself, you could write minus 10 plus 10. Because on a hundreds charts, that's how it works. What's one number before it? Well, what's one number before 12? 11. What's one number after 12? 13. And same thing, you could go minus 1 plus 1. Oops, sorry, that's not very neat. But I am going to make sure that your parents have a hundreds chart as a resource. So if you want to look at that hundreds chart to help you with this, parents, you could absolutely do this with them. I have not done this in class. I mean, we've discussed it. We've done it orally and visually through the hundreds chart on during our morning routine, but we have not done it like this on paper yet. So this might be a little new for them. This is a challenge. If they're not ready for that, don't have them do it. And if they're having a hard time, just start with this. Just put the number in the middle, do 1 before, 1 after. What number becomes before, what number comes after. Then if they can handle the 10s, then do what number comes above it, what number is below it. All right, have fun. Happy counting.
Why do you call your students Kinder Cakeys?
Cakeys.
Why do you call them Cakeys?
Because Cakeys are children in Hawaiian. Friends, I hope you liked that conversation. Okay, decompose. Last one. I apologize, my friends. So, little mathematicians, decompose. The number was 12. So you're basically going to do as many. You're going to do as many number sentences as you want. So 10 plus 2 equals 12. 8 plus 4 equals 12. I could decompose this one into 5 plus 5 plus 2 equals 12. You guys can do your normal 5,000 minus 988 if you wanted to. Yes, families, they have been doing that. Not all of them, but some. So for parents, what's important is that some of my friends really challenge themselves. So let them do that. They're pretty good at it. They've done it since the beginning of the year. They had the growth mindset. They learned along the way. They couldn't do it right away, but they didn't give up. And then eventually they were able to do it. So a few of them are going to say something like 5,000 minus 4,988 equals 12. A few, you know, they might, that one's still a little bit tricky for them, but they're pretty good at this part right now. So, they also, a lot of them, like right now, just for families, so you know, a lot of them right now like to do 10 plus 10 minus 10 plus 2 equals 12. Again, this is really good for them because that's good for them to know that this equals out. So that's also fine. So you're going to see a lot of variation in this. Some are just going to do 10 plus 12, and that's okay. If they can do one, great. If they can do a lot, wonderful. So as you can see, this is really where the personalized learning comes. Some of them might even be able to say 4 times 3 equals 12, and that's fine too. Some of them are going to do subtraction, and they're going to say 20 minus 8 equals 12. So there's a lot of, this is one reason why I love the decompose part, is that they really get to do it how they want, and they get to do how many as they want. It's really going to be up to you. But I'd say let them give it a go, try, and it's okay, friends. Remember, because how do we learn? Is it okay to make mistakes? Remember to tell your parents, revise your thinking. It's always okay to revise your thinking. All right, happy counting.